Wee bit of rain. It's coming in now. Warm greetings from a wet and wild west coast. We've got about at least 24 hours of heavy rain coming, and it's well and truly begun. Hang on, how can I turn that camera around? But it's already flooding. So the worst of it is meant to come in at 1 o'clock tonight. Probably we've got high tide. It's high tide now. So high tide 4:30 in the afternoon, and about the same tomorrow morning. With the worst of the rain to come at between 1 o'clock, basically with that incoming tide. So yeah, it's going to be a bit exciting. I don't know if Civil Defence are onto this, but it feels like it could be a big one. It looks like a big one on the old weather radar. The sea state's quite good though, so that spell's meant to pick up in the next sort of few hours. So it meant to be a swell. Not much we can do. Eat soup, drink beer, watch the rain come down, but might be thinking of all the coasters down Arawata and everywhere as well. Akuru could be a bit of a long night for everyone. So that's the weather report from the west coast. Lots of love. Yeah. This is like coming down towards our houses. And that's the river. Coming down the road. The road is not a river. It's pretty deep through here. It's like picking up. Not happy. Not happy at all. So go calling on the neighbours. They're pretty good here, but that's a lot of water. Not too far from home either. Scary, man. Fucking river. Yeah, we got a bit of a water hazard here. She's high. Real high. Scary high. Not good. Oh wow, good morning. It's been a long night. The river has been massive. I'm at my place and there's the river just there, so didn't get much sleep. It got really high, but it has gone down. But sounds like Hannah's Clearing's in a lot of trouble, so that's a real bummer. Far out, and roads are shut everywhere. I think we're pretty much isolated. Send beer. Yeah. But no, well, big weather events. Whoop woo, exciting, man. Need sleep. Nom, nom, nom. Or coffee. Coffee good. Hope everyone's doing well. And yeah, thankfully we got away with it. We did put freezers up on tyres and used some old cement bags, made some sandbags, but unbelievably and thankfully didn't come in, so that's good for us. I'm standing at Pee-wee's camp. We've lost, I don't know, 200 metres of road, and we're fucking, sorry to say bad language, we're really stuck. We're in a bit of a bother. Okay, there's the fibre optic down there. that used to go over there. We are isolated. Well, the river is completely blown right out. It's nearly out to the rock. And there is a lot of carnage. A lot. So much debris coming down the river and everything. Oh man, we've lost road everywhere. Looks like the sun's trying to come out. The beginnings of a new road. So the good news is there's gravel underneath. So far so good. He's been going for about 2 minutes and he's already made, I don't know, 7, 8 meters. Far out. Awesome.
Place is very, makes good time.
Yeah.
Just a bit slow where he is.
We are on some nice gravel. That's our road. Woo.
Stuff piled up on this both sides.
Yeah.
Just up to full with fucking water. Right.
We're almost through. It has taken about 2.5 hours, which is incredible. There's Basil Brush. Yeah, Basil. Pretty good. Here comes the dinosaur. Coming out of the forest. It's taken 3 hours to build the track. Pretty incredible. Whoa, crunch. Mission complete. Hey, this is me and the Bobcat being a contractor. Making the Wakapo Road. It's a lot of fun. It's kind of like trying to smooth out crunchy peanut butter, but just keep mucking with it, and it's coming good. A big old digger track roll is going to be good, and you never know, hopefully we might even do some fine dumps, but yeah, this is the road, and there's the Bobcat legend. There's other legendary dinosaurs working around in the forest today as well. Try and find some of them. It's great fun. Smoothing it. There's a brush on delicious. Cheap spread. So we got a wee way to go. And there's our road. It's looking quite nice, I reckon. Good road. Bad road. There's on the job. 80 years old. What an absolute legend. Oh yeah, we are really close. 4 or 5 have more loads and we'll be connected. And that, my friends, is the road connected. Woo! We're connected to the outer world. Yeah.
Might be a deer on
Yeah. Coming in to the new road. Oh, it's so smooth.
it. One thing about Rob is he wouldn't rip you off.
Nah. Oh no. I asked him this morning, I said, hey, how are we going in the way of a budget?
Oh yeah.
And he was like, no, shit, no, we're good.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because for us, we're just happy getting this fucking done.
Oh, like, I'd be happy if he was like, right, well, that's us, you know, but he's keen to come back and do more.
Yeah, like he said he would bring the big bucket down and just leave it rough with it.
Yeah, that's like, you know, I sort of thought.
A couple of old dead hands like us, I think we've done bloody well.
Yeah, it's been good, eh? Jesus, yeah, like I've been going home feeling pretty tired. Normally that last hour or so,
Yeah.
like yesterday, I was going, shit, I am,
Yes.
you know, I enjoy doing it,
Yeah.
but then
Yeah,
you can get over it by the end of the
I
day,
do too, yeah.
especially when you're getting clanged and banged and,
Oh, fuck you. You've got the worst job.
but it can be the best job. And that is the Nero. So he gets it all ready. What's the grips? Pretty neat, eh? Awesome. Very nice. Very nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So smooth. Whoop whoop. Ah, there we go. Let's screen like this. Whoops. That's just doing the nice top course, just leveling it out real good. That is great. It's called a leveling bar. There's a few bits where the top course has been a bit thick, just because when you're doing those running dumps you sort of overlap it, so that's all good. Just getting through that stuff, spreading it. And so this is the last day of road building and we're having another flood. Wow, that's chunky.